Hi friends and welcome back to At Home with Sonja. In today's video, I'm sharing my Christmas entryway Decorate With Me 2025, filled with cozy holiday entryway decorating ideas to help you create a warm and welcoming space for the season. If you love simple, curated, and affordable decor that feels high-end, you're in the right place. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss more Christmas decorating videos coming your way this season. Now let's jump right into decorating my Christmas entryway. I started by clearing everything off my entryway to begin with a clean slate. The first thing I set up is my 9-foot slim Christmas tree. It's a tall and pre-lit, and I picked it up couple years ago from a local nursery. I love that it fits perfectly in this corner without taking up too much floor space. I'm starting with decorating the tree using velvet ornaments I found last year at Michael's. I replaced the hanging strings with brown velvet ribbon to add a soft, elegant touch. Last year, I switched my Christmas style for this tree to a cozy, natural look, and I'm continuing that theme this year. Next, I'm adding some of my DIY orange slice ornaments that I made last season. I also use these as bowl fillers throughout my decor. They bring such a beautiful, rustic look and smell amazing. Now, I'm also adding another handmade touch, my DIY fringe ribbon. And finishing off the bottom of the tree with a burlap tree skirt. I'm still on the hunt for that perfect tree base. I'd love to find a woven 3-color, but all the ones I've seen are too small for this tree. Moving to the wall on the opposite side of the tree, instead of my usual home sign, I'm hanging a new accordion style coat rack that I thrifted for just $1. It's purely decorative and adds a nice vintage touch. I attached it using a 5-pound command strips, and once it was in place, I hung my DIY berry wreath from last year. It's actually a Pottery Barn dupe, but it gives off those classic Ralph Lauren holiday vibes that are so popular this year. To finish that wall, I added a small cluster of bells for a bit of texture and shine. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. And if you love simple, cozy Christmas decorating ideas, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the rest of my holiday decorating series. Now moving on to my entryway table. If you're wondering where it came from, it's a Facebook Marketplace find that I gave a complete makeover to fit my style. You can actually see that transformation over on my DIY channel. I started styling the table with a few thrifted books to add height and layers. On top of it, I added my thrifted lamp. And then to the other side, a DIY vase. You probably recognize it if you've seen my previous projects. Inside, I placed a small glass vase with fresh cedar clippings from my tree outside. Cedar is one of my favorite natural elements to use during the holidays. I love bringing a bit of the outdoors in. I did add water to the glass vase to make sure that the cedar clippings stay fresh long. They usually last all season with just switching out water probably once a week. In the center, I added a pair of rattan bells, another thrifted made over my item, tied together with brown silk ribbon for natural cozy look. Then I completed the tabletop with Christmas tree print in this vintage frame, a natural wood nutcracker accented with the same ribbon, and a small bell candle, a perfect finishing touch for a simple but festive feel. For the bottom of the table, I wanted to hide the outlet and cords, so I added a large woven basket from HomeSense. Inside, I tucked in waffle texture blanket in a deep green color that I picked up from Temu. I also added my largest bell tied with the same ribbon to bring everything together. For a pop of color and to tie in the berry tones from the wreath, I placed a red metal house that lights up. I just need to add the batteries. Oh, this house came from HomeSense a few years back. Beside it, I added another basket with a Norfolk pine tree, also from Temu, and I added a strand of mini lights to finish the look. And that completes my Christmas entryway decorate with me. I love how cozy, festive, and welcoming it feels right when you walk in the door. I hope you enjoyed decorating my Christmas entryway with me and got a few cozy holiday decorating ideas for your own home. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Christmas decorating inspiration coming up soon. Let me know in the comments, have you started decorating for Christmas yet? I'd love to hear what theme or color you're going for this year. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.